Today we're driving the Tail of the Dragon, an extremely popular drive for motorcycles and sports cars in West North Carolina. The drive on Highway 129 includes 318 curves in just 11 miles. We'll start the drive from the crossroads of time at the intersection of Highways 28 and 129 and drive north. We'll speed up the video to give you a pseudo sports car experience, so hold on and let's go.
Miles of it.
11 miles, 318 curves.
Yeah. Oh, good God. Whew. Couldn't be no big vehicles. It's a,
remember, she said people get on it
and don't realize
what it is.
oh my gosh. Oh, that was, whew.
We're in a race.
No.
We gotta catch that guy.
No, it's not. Oh, oh, Lord, yeah. Oof. Oh my gosh. If they get any, oh, they're gonna let you pass.
Oh.
They're letting you pass. They're like, we're not going any faster.
Couldn't take the heat.
We're only 3.5 miles in.
Yeah. 8 left.
I was like, really? 3.5 miles in? Oh my God, no, don't get too fast. hips are gonna hurt from trying to hold myself in place. Could you just slide a little bit? I was like, I just said, don't forget, we're climbing now. And it's 29 degrees. We're 6 miles in. Imagine in the spring and the fall.
Oh yeah.
This is a beautiful drive. I mean, it's still pretty now because you got the mountains in the background, but with all the fall colors or the spring colors, it'd be gorgeous.
There's an amazing overlook at mile 8.8.
Oh, it's like,
Oh, they getting,
they got brave there and
they
wanted to do
getting
that dip.
I might have been watching too many race car movies.
Yeah. At mile 9.
Oh, he's going low in that curve.
Okay, mile 10, the last mile. Right here is going to be the
11.
end. Yep, mile 11. We have made it to the end. Oh, and here, perfect. Be able to turn around right here. We've made it to the end of the dragon's tail.
Now we're going to the tip of the dragon's nose.
Yeah.
We're turning around and we're going back.
We're going to do it again.
for a swim?
No, it's 21 degrees right now. It's
Yeah.
cold and windy.
A little cold out here. Late December, Robbinsville, North Carolina. Beautiful though.